Tiffany Richey. I'm a nurse practitioner. I own Richey Wellness and Aesthetics. I provide functional wellness. I have been studying functional wellness for about 4 years now, and I'm working on my fellowship at the Anti-Aging Institute of Medicine. The difference between functional medicine and conventional medicine is that functional medicine is looking for root cause answers to the symptoms that the patient presents with. For example, if a patient comes in with fatigue and depression, a lot of times the patient differential diagnosis would be depression, hormone imbalances, thyroid issues, and if you're in a traditional setting, then you're going to get a medication to help suppress those symptoms. In functional medicine, we're looking at trying to determine the cause of those symptoms so that we can either remove triggers, change a diet, implement an exercise regimen, lifestyle modifications to help treat that condition so that the symptoms are reversed and somewhat cured.
My name is Courtney Ingram, and I've been doing aesthetics for about 10 years now, and I've developed a very intense passion for it. I take pride in sending my patients out looking natural, balanced, and just not overdoing it. My goal is to send you out the door and not have anybody notice that you've had something done. Just for them to say, oh my gosh, have you been using new skincare? You just look really good today. Have you slept well? And that excites me when I hear those compliments from patients.
Some of the conditions that we treat at Richey Wellness include chronic disease management like thyroid dysfunction, and we treat a lot of hormone replacement therapy for people who have symptoms of hot flashes, night sweats, premenopausal symptoms, postmenopausal symptoms. We also treat men's health, testosterone replacement therapy, so men who've lost endurance, mood disturbances, decreased libido, poor sleep, insomnia, muscular growth and development. We can treat men and women with hormonal imbalances, not just women.
My favorite treatment to do is threading, which is a treatment where we naturally place natural absorbable sutures into the skin. Very little downtime or pain associated with that, and it just naturally lifts the face, brows, jawline. We can even do that on the body, and that gives us more of an instant result. So I'm an instant gratification person, that's why I really like that. I also love to do filler. We can really contour your face, give you a little bit of lift here. We can do lips, folds, even up in the upper face. We can do liquid facelift. There's so many cool things we can do with filler and give you that natural look and really have you feeling great even the next day. Maybe some mild bruising downtime, but it's super easy, it's fun for me, it's fun for the patient, and so I would definitely say that's my favorite thing.
So the reason I chose functional medicine is because working in the ICU, I saw a lot of sick patients that were near death, and we would send them home, and occasionally we would get to see those patients back in a critical situation where they didn't know how to treat their bodies right. They didn't know what types of foods to eat. They didn't know that exercise can reduce the risk of heart attacks significantly. Spending the last 4 years learning about functional medicine and treating patients over the last 4 years, I found a passion in helping people understand how their body works and listening to their own signals so that they can react to those signals when something's not right. That's one of my favorite things to do, is to educate the patient on what is going on so that they don't have to end up in an ICU situation or taking a bunch of medications with risks of side effects that may be even worse than the symptom they originally approached their provider about.
We really try to develop relationships with our patients. We want to allow plenty of time for you to have your consultation, really assess your needs and even what thoughts you're having, and really develop a plan that's specifically for you, something that conforms with your schedule and your downtime and what your goals are. We do offer free consultations, so if you're having questions about, what treatment's right for me, how much time do I need for this, we really just encourage you to take advantage of that. Come in, we'll sit down with you and go over your goals, give you our professional opinion, and make sure you have plenty of time so that we can develop a good plan for you and something that you feel comfortable with. What I like so much about combining functional medicine with aesthetics is that we get to see the patient being healed from the inside and feeling great, and then we get to make the outside match the inside, and we're really having a complete wellness of inner and outer beauty.